Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here with another update on our project in Lee Summit. This is house number 1 of 2 that we're doing. So this is day 8. We're trying to get everything structurally finished up today. And if there's anything left to do tomorrow, it'll just be the backfill of the trench on the exterior side of this wall. So we have our steel H-beams installed, keeping the wall vertical. I've already started the crack repair on the inside of the foundation. I still have a few more spots to do. As you can see here, we have just got our concrete in there. Since we're in the basement here, we had to build our little makeshift chute here to get the concrete in. But there were 3 piers on the outside under the footing, number 4 right here. So we're going to vibrate this, make it look a little bit nicer on the surface. Then we still have a little bit of cracks left to get properly sealed up. All the little holes that we put in here just while we were straightening the wall, those are going to be filled in with fast setting epoxy. So other than that, we are just about finished with all the structural work. They're doing the concrete on the exterior side of the home right now, so we should be finished up with that here within the next half hour, and then probably an hour later we will be able to begin the backfill. So stay tuned for another update once we are completely finished with everything. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. You can find all of our pictures and video updates from this project, as well as all of our other current and past jobs, on our YouTube and Facebook channels. And please give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.